Hello students, in my today's video, I am going to explain you the remaining exercises of lesson 2 collective and abstract noun. In my previous video, I have explained the exercises A to D. In my today's video, I will explain exercise E, F and G. Now come to the exercise E. This is exercise This is exercise E of lesson 2 collective and abstract noun. Fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. In this exercise, some words are given in the brackets and you have to make abstract noun from these bracket words. Okay students, now come to the first. The flowers in the garden give great pleasure. The word pleasure becomes from the word please. Okay, it is abstract noun and it is noun. Okay, now come to the next. To be a good writer, one must have the power of imagination. To succeed, one must not be afraid of failure. Adam had curiosity regarding the apple on the tree. She accepted our invitation. I believe in her innocence. The happy days of our childhood can never be relived. The elephant had great strength. The foundation of one's character is education. Truth always wins in the end. Loyalty for one's master is the most important quality in an employee. In the selfish world of today, the best gift is friendship. A person of knowledge is respected by all. Determination can win over all odds. Anger can give way to lots of pitfalls and failure in life. Indians are known all over the world for their hospitality. Kargil heroes were rewarded for their bravery. Poverty is the cause of the greatest happiness in the world today. Communication is very important for improving relationships. Sunday is a good day for relaxation. In this way, we have completed exercise E. In this exercise, we have made all the abstract nouns from the bracket words. Now, come to the exercise F. In this exercise, two tables are given, column A and column B. So, we have to fill the words accordingly. In the first column, there are adjectives. In the second column, there are nouns. Okay. Complete the following table. The first one has been done for you as an example. As an example, first one is done. Okay. Now, come to the next one. First, desperate. Desperate is the adjective word and desperation is the noun. Okay. Second, just is adjective and justice is noun. Progressive, yes. Progressive, progress. Optimistic, optimist. Pessimistic, pessimist. Powerful, power. Sympathetic, sympathy. Emotional, emotion. Trustworthy, trust. Troublesome, trouble. Thoughtful, thought. Educational, education. Skillful, skill. Chaotic, chaos. Peaceful, peace. In this way, we have completed exercise F. Now come to the exercise G. In this exercise, write the verbs from which the following abstract nouns are formed. All these are the abstract noun and we have to fill the verb words. Okay. Now come to the first one. Success, succeed. Success is abstract noun and succeed is verb. Second one, freedom, free. Freedom is the abstract noun and free is the verb. Discovery, discover. Invitation, invite. Creation, create. Death, die. Birth, born or bear. belief, believe, protection, protect, punishment, punish, production, produce, departure, depart. Now, today I have also finished exercise G of lesson 2, collective and abstract noun. In this way, I have finished all the exercises of lesson 2 of language, that was collective and abstract noun. Thank you students for this video.